Welcome to the world of DIY tree cutting. The advantages are plentiful, including reducing costs and the satisfaction of a job well done. But these rewards don't appear without effort. You need to invest in personal growth, harnessing an understanding of proper techniques and tools for safe and successful tree removal. It's not merely about wielding a saw, it circumvents into the realm of appreciating nature's structure while ensuring one's well-being and that of their surroundings. Mastering tree anatomy and growth patterns are core to effective tree removal. Comprehending the structure, such as branches and their leads, trunk size and root system, gives a clearer direction during cutting. It enables you to predict how a tree might fall or react when cut. Imagine each tree as an intricate puzzle, each piece essential to the whole. The more we understand this beautiful complexity, the more efficient we become in our cutting endeavors. The tools you wield are your foundational partners in tree cutting. Chainsaws for thick trunks, handsaws for precision, pruning saws for reaching height, and loppers for shaping. But your strongest ally? Safety equipment. Protecting you while you protect your landscape? Every tool has a purpose, and knowing which to use and when becomes an art in itself. Remember, quality tools are not an expense, they're a worthy investment in your safety and the task at hand. Tree cutting isn't a random process, but a well-thought-out journey. It starts with picking the right tree and developing a detailed cutting plan. Visual demonstrations and diagrams will simplify this for you. Remember, every step you take should prioritize safety. Any haste or negligence can cost dearly. Treat this process as a structured dance, focusing on precision and precautions, blending knowledge and safety into a symphony that orchestrates the downfall of a tree in the most harmless way possible. The aftermath of tree cutting is as important as the act itself. Removing the cut tree and cleaning up debris ensures safety, maintains aesthetics, and allows room for new growth. The process may range from simple yard cleaning to debris disposal. Think of it not just as tidying up, but as closing the chapter on one life phase of your land and sowing the seeds for the next. Proper cleanup and disposal are therefore integral to the cycle of nature.